My name is Amanda Damon, and I'm a Homeworks by Precept consultant in Augusta, Maine. Today, we're going to take a look inside the Logos Science 2 Science Kit 5th edition. When you open your science kit, you will find most of the items packaged and labeled to make them easier to find. When you first open your science kit, you will have an addendum. In the beginning, you will have a table of contents listing all of the activities for your student. You will also have a list of all the supplies that is included in your kit. Any materials not included will be listed next to the chapter that it applies to. Most of these materials are easily gathered from your home. Each lesson will have the materials needed listed next to the lesson number. Anything marked with an asterisk is materials that you will need to provide that do not come in the kit. You will also see any instructions that may change in your experiment, such as for Lesson 2, there is a spring scale provided in place of a balance. If there are no additional instructions, you will see to proceed as the teacher's edition states. Along with each lesson, you will also have the teacher edition, student textbook, and activity manual pages listed. In the back of your addendum, you will have different images to go along with various activities. Now that we've taken a peek inside the kit, let's check out one of the activities. We're going to take a look at Lesson 3, where we have an investigation into keeping cool. Here in our Teacher's Edition, you can see that it's listing the investigation as pages 9 to 11 in your student's book. In your student's textbook, they'll have a page describing the activity that they will be doing, as well as in their work text, a page for their conclusions. In our addendum from our science kit, we see that we need goggles and some different visuals. These visuals, though it says they can be found in the Toolkit CD, you can find on the Homeschool Hub. We'll need thermometers and some cars. All of these items were in our science kit. There are no adjustments to this investigation, so your students can proceed with what they have in their book. Science 2 has lots of great activities, and I really encourage you to do as many of them as you can with your student. My kids absolutely love science, and we always love doing the experiments and the investigations, and it's really helpful to have this kit so I don't have to go searching for a lot of things. Most of what I need is in there, and anything that's not, I can easily find at home. I really hope you enjoy it. Well, that's it for the Logos Science 2 Science Kit. Happy learning!